Hello everybody, my name is Stumbler and today we're going to be playing Power Drill Massacre. Now we're going to be uploading a new game. Let's get directly into it. I'm sorry for not uploading today, yesterday I mean. I'm starting to actually spend time editing my videos. What's going on? I can't tell. Oh, and also guys, I'm sorry if I sound like quite different today. It's because I'm like quite tired. It's 4 a.m. You're still gonna get good. You're still gonna get good commentary. But to be honest, I have to go to work in like 1 hour. I honestly don't really care though. I could probably finish this in like 30 minutes. And I will chop it up so where like I am like when I'm doing absolutely nothing or like when I find the key. Like not when I find the key, but like I don't know how to explain it. Like when I find the when I'm quiet, I'll just cut that part out. When I'm just quiet, this is the worst headache ever. But I think I'm alright. It's getting dark. Better get the flashlight out of the front. Let me see. Wait. Looks like we brought a flashlight with us. Will you pick up the flashlight? Your flashlight. I see. Equip items, documents, just letter. Megan, there's something I've needed to tell you. I'll come pick you up on Tuesday and we can talk. Ciao. Oh, I think I know what happened. Oh, that's not good. That is not good in the hood. Oh, he's so dead. Anyways, let's turn this on. Power Drill Massacre. Let's go this way. I think this will work. To be honest, I think all the ways will lead to the correct way though. I don't really. Oh yeah, this way maybe. That would have been leading directly towards where I was beforehand. I like this camera angle. This camera angle is not terrible. Like I didn't even touch it. It just starts like as this camera angle on the wall, and like it's nice like handling. It's got way better handling than the other ones I played. For one of the older ones, I mean, this is like 2015, I think. I don't know, but like the other ones came out. Oh, okay. Wait. Here. What can I even do with this one? What a creepy old chat. It's boarded up. Yeah, I can enter from. Can I enter from another way? It's like so kids drop in the crib. Oh, that's not nice. That is so fucked up. That is fucked. That is fucked to the power of 2. That is fucked to the second power. I really don't want to go there. This shed is possessed or something. It has like demons in it or whatever. Anyways, let's keep going. I went to my friend's house today and we just like and we just like sat down, played Mortal Kombat. It's the newer one. It's one. Not gonna lie, I was gonna play it. I was gonna like record the campaign and maybe like some just fucking around with it. But like the animalities are tough as fuck. Like also, oh wow, this is cool. It's quite big from what I see, so I don't really know if we'll explore the entire thing. Okay, there's nothing there. Is there a doorway here I can enter? This door is open. Go inside. Good. What a creepy building. I didn't check upstairs. Wait, I didn't check upstairs. I can't leave. Oh, fuck. Oh, of course. Okay. She feels like she's being watched here. Oh, this is like quite fucked, dude. Like, I am quite scared. Oh my god. Blue, green, and red. Okay, so this is where I probably need to unlock something. I'm a fucking idiot. Of course that's where I need to unlock something. But like... God damn, I'm sweating. I'm sweating like a little piggy. Okay, so there's nothing here. God damn, dude. Okay, what's that? There's a note tucked into the corner. My name is David Ashford. My address is 3656 Coburn Hollow Road, Deer Creek, Massachusetts. I think I'm going to die here. I'm hiding this note in hopes somebody will uncover it and know the truth about what happened. Somebody came to our campsite in the middle of the night and doesn't seem like the note is finished. A key. Yes, we need that. We need that. That's one of the things we need. I feel so scared. Like I'm actually creeped out. It is. That's all I know. Somebody is chasing me and I don't give a fuck. That's the truth. Oh, what the fuck, dude? Scared the piss out of me. Just do that? Just do this? Oh, fuck, dude. Just run, dude. Just keep running. Scared the fuck out of me twice, dude. How much health do I even have? Oh my god, I'm bleeding out. Don't even know. Wait, please tell me that's a key. Another newspaper article. Dude, I fucking need this. The beginning is faded. I can't read it. She's my little girl. You just want her back. Wilbur said in a tearful plea. According to the Wilburs, Christine was playing near the bushes toward the edge of the campsite. We called her for dinner and she just wasn't there anymore. Police are looking at all possibilities. Wildcat attacks are common in this area, said her parents think that she was abducted. There was no bear or a cat. We didn't hear any animals. Somebody grabbed her and somebody took her from us. That's all it says. Yeah, I'm fucking. I feel like I'm next. I fear that this is not looking good for me. A key. Oh, fuck that, you know. Really just fuck that. I'm not doing that. Dude, I'm sweating so hard. If you guys knew how hard I'm sweating, you guys would fucking... I don't know. You guys would genuinely understand. Use the key. I'm only missing a blue one. I hope to find a med pack up here, or med kit. I don't really care what it's called. I just hope I find it. Even just the final key would do. I saw something bling over here. Is that the final key? Please tell me that's the final key. It is the final key. I'm lost though. The search continues for two missing campers in the Pocono Mountains. Mason T. Sargent and Louis Laurie of Long Island, New York have been missing since June 8th. Their campsite and belongings have been located, but investigators have refused. Police say there are no visible signs of a struggle, and this continues to be a rescue mission. The rest is missing. It's dated August, yeah, whatever, it's dated. It could be dated all the way to fucking, I don't care. I need to fucking fuck my life, dude. That scared the fuck out of me. Oh my fucking god. Oh my god, this shit is sending me into a cold sweat. No. Fuck off, dude. Oh my god. It scared the fuck out of me. I'm sure you guys fucking saw that, because like the camera just fucking shifted. I can't find my way back. Oh, dude. If only I could find my way back. Oh, that's so fucked. Oh, that's so fucked, dude. He literally spawned right in front of me. I cannot... Do not tell... Wait. Still have my blue key. User, please fucking leave. Oh my god. That is like, some of that was straight bullshit though. You guys saw that. Like, he literally spawned right in front of me. I couldn't really do much of anything. This game is so fucking scary. Little girl, can you help me get out of here? I don't think she wants to help. Good. I think the driller dude is right behind you. But I remember he's called the driller killer. This is pretty uncut. Like, I'm looking at the recording on top. I thought it would take me like 45 minutes because I looked it up, and it's taken me 15 minutes, 30 seconds to get out of the factory, but I don't know if this continues. Is this what I need to be doing? Just running? Whoever made this it like lag outside? The FPS drops so hard when it's right behind me. Run! Run! Oh my god, Jesus Christ. It's so bright. It's right behind you too. That's the thing. I need to hurry up, because like he's literally right behind me. Is this what I need to do? Is this like exactly what I need to do? Just to run for like a good couple of minutes? I don't know if I got all the documents. I'm assuming I didn't. It's like I skimmed it through and like I managed to beat it in like 16 minutes 50 if this is the end. That is only if this is the end. It is the end, I think, because they usually don't have cutscenes unless it's like... Actually, they do have cutscenes, but like... They usually don't have cutscenes unless it's an important part of the story, or like, just there, like it's, you know, like it's trying to say something. This, I think it's trying to say that it's done. The drill, I might even have to replay this, like to even get a thumbnail. I think I got thumbnail heighty though, because like when he appeared right in front of me, I could use that frame. Damn. Yeah, you guys heard that? The end. Yeah, that would be the fucking end. Oh my god, that scared the fuck out of me. Oh, this is so unnerving, dude. Oh, this is so fucking unnerving, dude. Oh my god. I'm taking off my headphones for this part. I can't do. It's so fucking eerie. Is this all? Okay. Yep. That has been Power Drill Massacre for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sorry if I sounded a bit weird in this video. I tried actually speaking quite loud and clear. But yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.